HCL Tech secures multi-year digital transformation deal with TMICC. HCL Tech has announced a multi-year partnership with the Magnum Ice Cream Company, marking another significant global transformation deal for its services major. The engagement focuses on building a future-ready digital foundation. The Magnum Ice Cream Company is the world's largest ice cream business and is progressing as an independent listed entity. As part of this transition, it is strengthening its technology backbone. Under the partnership, HCL Tech will design, build, and manage TMICC's global IT infrastructure. The objective is to create a secure, scalable, and intelligent digital operating environment. A key element of this engagement is the deployment of HCLTech's AI Force platform. This platform will embed artificial intelligence across TMICC's digital infrastructure over the coming years. HCLTech solutions will integrate predictive analytics and enhance business process visibility. The focus remains on delivering resilient IT operations while keeping user experience at the core. The partnership also marks a strategic shift from traditional AIOps toward a no-ops operating model. This enables zero-touch automation and agent-driven systems for autonomous IT operations. For TMICC, this transformation supports its evolution beyond its earlier structure. The new digital setup will allow the company to operate with greater agility and efficiency. HCL Tech will also support TMICC in exiting the transition service agreement with Unilever. This involves establishing a greenfield IT infrastructure tailored for an AI-powered future. According to TMICC's management, the partnership plays a critical role in embedding intelligence across every layer of its digital foundation. The goal is to drive operational excellence and superior customer experiences. From HCLTech's perspective, the deal highlights its strength in executing complex, global transformation programs. It also reinforces its capabilities within the consumer packaged goods sector. The engagement showcases Heltech's innovation, agility, and ability to deliver large-scale technology transformation. AI-led automation remains a central pillar of its service offerings. For investors, this partnership adds visibility to Heltech's large deal pipeline and long-term revenue stability. Multi-year global engagements typically support predictable cash flows. Overall, the HCLTech Magnum Ice Cream partnership reflects the growing demand for AI-driven digital infrastructure. It further strengthens Heltech's positioning as a trusted partner for enterprise-wide transformation.